guys, my name is Olivia Large and today I'm going to be teaching you a shuffle transition. So let's get started. So what this move is it's a transition from your forward running man into your side running man. This has been requested many times because I throw it into a lot of my freestyles. It's a fun way to transition and spice up your shuffle flow. So you will be starting from your front running man, right, left, right, left, right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna be from this right running man or your left, but I'm gonna teach you guys on the right. You're gonna have your right foot forward, just like you would just landed a right running man. Left foot back. Instead of going into our next running man, you're gonna hit the flamingo pose, bring your right foot right back underneath you, and instead of going into a left running man, you're gonna bring this left leg and kick it back. So you have your foot forward for right running man, slide this right foot underneath you, bring your left leg up, then throw this left leg behind you, usually at an angle is how I like to do it, kind of like a Polly Pocket. And you're gonna hop this right foot that's underneath you to where it's like in a diagonal with this, like a Polly Pocket. So from here, hop back. And then you're gonna put this right foot on its heel, left foot up, hop it back. So from here, you're hopping that back. You're gonna step back onto your right foot and transfer all that weight back. Because when you do this, when you put this left foot back, all your weight's gonna be on this left foot and you're just gonna have your heel out for this right foot. This is more for like stabilization. So hop right back onto that right foot, transfer all that weight. And then you're gonna step and cross over with this left foot and you're gonna T-step. So from the beginning, you have your running man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hop it back, 6, hop to the right, and cross over with this left, and we're going to be taking this left foot and you're gonna be doing like a T-step. So you're gonna be going heel toe. So you're stepping, heel toe. This back foot, your right foot, is literally just going to be lifting up and coming over. So there's a lot of different things you can do with that. My main things I like to do, you can either kick it or you can slide it on its toe to create like more of a gliding type effect. So cross that left foot over, T-step, go to the side. So as you do that T-step, because you're already gonna be about at an angle, you step, and then you're gonna use that T-step to rotate your body fully to the side. So from the beginning, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So from the right running man, hop center, left leg back, back on that right leg, left foot step over, T-step, and then you are in a position to start your side running man and just go right back into it. So let's do that a little faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so one more time without counts. I'm just gonna call out what you're doing. So right running man, hop, back, hop, step, T-step, running man. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is a fun little transition you can throw into your shuffle flow for your freestyles or choreos, whatever you're feeling. Yeah, and like I said, variations. Slide, kick, or you can even spin and spin. Let me know if you guys have any questions or tutorial requests. You can comment on this video, or you can send me a message through Instagram or TikTok at LiveNLargeCO. I also will be doing some live stream classes that are free, so if you're ever interested in that, I'm planning on doing both shuffle classes, maybe choreo, possibly some video editing classes for like dance videos, and yeah. So I also just wanted to mention, I recently launched my own athletic apparel brand. These are the leggings, and I have crop tops and sports bras and other things coming in the future. So that is called Live Enlarge Ltd. If you want to check that out at liveandlargeltd.com or on Instagram or Facebook. So yeah, thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.